Listen to the snow here in my heart. Melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. Slowly beckon me to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroad. I'm not at home in my own home, and I try to say what's on in mind. You should have known now. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I feel like. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the voice you think you gave to me, but now I've gotta find my own. You should have listened. For there's someone deep inside, someone not to hit that. So like oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Listen. Okay.